They counted you out too soon. They looked at one bad season, one setback, one mistake, and decided your story was over. But they judged you before God was finished. Some people only know the version of you that was struggling. They remember when you were tired. They remember when you were confused. They remember when life hit you hard and you moved slower than usual. So they assumed that was the final version of you. They counted you out too soon. They saw pressure, but they didn't see what pressure was building. They saw tears, but they didn't see the strength those tears were watering. They saw delay, but they didn't know delay was training you for weight you couldn't carry before. Listen carefully. Just because you were down does not mean you were done. Just because you were quiet does not mean you had nothing left. Just because you stepped back does not mean you were losing. Sometimes God will pull you away from noise so He can rebuild you in private. While they laughed, you were healing. While they doubted, you were learning. While they forgot about you, you were becoming dangerous. People love to announce your downfall early. They speak too soon. They judge too soon. They celebrate too soon because they mistake silence for weakness. But silence can be strategy. Silence can be recovery. Silence can be the sound of someone preparing to rise. And your rise is going to confuse people who got comfortable seeing you struggle. The same people who thought you were finished will have to watch you grow. The same people who dismissed you will have to watch you win. The same people who buried your name will have to hear it again. Hear me. You are not behind. You are not washed up. You are not too late. You are in rebuilding season. And when rebuilding is complete, elevation follows. So let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them underestimate you one more time because they counted you out too soon. Now they're about to watch you rise.